afternoon, we are going to explain how to pass from a standard form to a slope interception form. For the standard form, we have the formula ax plus by equals to c. And the slope intersection form, we have y equals mx plus b.
We have standard form that we need to pass to a slope intersection. So why we need to clear?
So here we have in the standard form the equation 2x plus 8y equal to 7. So first, to pass to the slope intersection form, we have to clear y. But first we have to do this. If you have 2x of the left side of the equal, you have to pass to the right side of the equal. So if it's positive, it's going to change to negative. The 8y is to the left side of the equal. So you pass 8y equal to minus 2x, because it's positive, they change to negative, plus 7. That is the b. So then you have to put minus 2x plus 7, and if it's multiplied, they have to divide, and you finish the equation.
We are going to transform the slope intersection to a standard form. The formula of the slope intersection is
y equal mx plus b. And the standard formula is ax plus by equals c. So we put here a problem that is y equal 3x negative minus 8. So we move the minus 3 to the left, because you have to move it to keep alone the c. So we change to positive, and it's going to be 3x plus y equal minus 8.
Today we're going to talk about perpendicular lines and how to obtain them. First of all, what's a perpendicular line? Do you know, Mariana? Yeah. What is a perpendicular line?
Are the lines that collapse and form a 90 degrees angle.
For you to look, I'm going to make a graph here. There you go, Canis. Two lines that intersect and form a 90 degree angle. Okay? So, imagine you have an equation in the form ax plus by equals c. Let it be
The standard form.
The standard form. Let it be 8x plus 6y equals 2. Okay? Now, if we want to make another line that is perpendicular to that one, the easy way is to exchange this number to here and this number to here and change the sign. That is the easy way. Let's get it.
I want to get it.
You get it, Marzo, you get it.
¿Ya sabes lo que es decir?
And this is what we get. As you can see here, the 8 was passed to this side and the 6 to the x. And the sign was changed to its opposite. And it's perpendicular. Now, if in the problem you are asked for the perpendicular line to pass through a point, there's something else you have to do. Marzu, would you like to explain this one?
For example, you have the same function and you get the point 2,3. First, you have to get the slope.
If you have the standard form, pass it through the slope intersection form, which will give you the value of the slope, which we are doing right now.
The value of the slope is minus 8 over 6x. So we have the slope, and we have to get another slope that when you multiply them gives you the result of minus 1.
But to do that, honey bunnies,
There's an easy way. You just put this one up, this one down, and change the sign. So the slope will be 6 over 8 positive.
like this. To review, we had the function here, and then we were given a point. But as the function is the standard form, we want to pass it to the slope intersection form, which we already did here. The result of the slope was minus 8 over 6, but we need to pass it to its opposite because the formula to get a perpendicular line is m1 per m2 equals minus 2. So if m is minus 8 over 6, we need to get the opposite. So when we multiply it, it will be minus 1. So Mariana took it, it's right here, the opposite of this one. But you? And now that you have the slope and the point, all you have to do is replace it in the formula to get the slope. Let's do it! There you go. As you can see here, this is the m that we got, and this is the point number 1. But we do not have the point number 2. But we don't need it, honeys, don't worry. And now, you must cross it, multiplying. So, you multiply this number for this number, and this number for this number.
I'm gonna do it.
You do it, Marsu.
Here you multiply it, yeah. And then you pass the x's and the y's to this side and the other terms to this side.
So now, we have the function that will be perpendicular to the other function. Is our result.
And as you can see, it's the opposite as
Of
this
this
one.
one.
Okay, bye. Bye.
We need to find the equation of the line that contains the point 1, 4 and is parallel to the line x plus 2y equals 5. Let's find the slope by changing this line to the slope intercept form. Like this. This is the slope intercept form. And you get this. Now you need to take the slope. That the slope of this line is this one. This is the slope. And then now you need to substitute the point 1, 4 by the slope formula. by the slope formula, like this. This is the slope and this is the point. And now you need to multiply the 1 to all of this and 2 to all of this. And like that. And this is the result. Thank you.
And then is the form when the problem don't contain a point. The first one is when it's written in the standard form. What do you have to do is change the last number for another one with the same sign. An example could be 2x plus y equals 5. You only have to do is change the last number for another one. That the result will be 2x plus y equals 12. The second one is when it's written in the form y-intercept. And what do you have to do is change the independent number for another one with the same sign. An example will be y equals 3x plus 7, and the result for another line parallel is y equals 3x plus 10. And there is the three types of form to obtain a parallel line.